And now the BJP has picked a relatively unknown face, a four-time MLA and party's tribal face, Mohan Charan Majhi, as the new Chief Minister of Odisha. The swearing-in ceremony will take place at 4:55 p.m. This evening. The first BJP Chief Minister of the state of Odisha. This is the party that has picked two deputies as well, KV Singh Deo as well as Prabhati Parida. He was the Chief Minister-elect, was born in the Rai Kala village. He is the son of a security guard. He was the village head between 1997 and 2000 and was the General Secretary of the BJP's Odisha Scheduled Tribe Morcha. Before being elected as an MLA, the 52-year-old has won from the seat 4 times, including the assembly elections this year, in which his vote margin was 11,577. The Chief Minister-elect also holds a law degree. The Chief Minister is a strong tribal voice when it comes to Odisha, is known for his organizational skills. He has also was the Chief Whip in the outgoing Odisha Legislative Assembly. He says that he will be following the vision of the Prime Minister. Let's listen in.
उड़िसा लोगों का काम करने के लिए मैं निश्चित रूप से दायित्व लिया है और संकल्प भी लिया है। जो माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी जो मोदी गारंटी का जो बात बोले काम करने के लिए, और निश्चित रूप से उड़िया लोगों के मोदी गारंटी का जो काम उसको निश्चित रूप से अगला 5 साल में करके दिखाऊंगा और निश्चित रूप से उड़िया लोगों को न्याय दूंगा।
And we have Saurabh Gupta joining us. Saurabh, who all are expected to be there in attendance, given a star-studded affair is expected this morning in Andhra Pradesh, and from there the Prime Minister is expected to be there in Odisha. Who else is expected to be there?
Well, you know, one of the most well-known tribal faces in the BJP in these few years is Mohan Majhi, and of course he's now becoming the Chief Minister. And it is going to be a star-studded affair. You can see massive arrangements have been made for the swearing-in ceremony. Cutouts of Prime Minister Modi have been placed, along with, you know, seating arrangements, coolers, toilets, and a massive stage where the Chief Minister, Mohan Majhi, will take oath. Now, Mohan Majhi, of course, met the governor yesterday. He's one of the strong tribal leaders. He's a 4-time MLA from Keonjhar. He's well known in the state as an aggressive leader. Also something that, you know, he's done in terms of the fact that he's been, you know, in the assembly as, you know, a very strong BJP presence in the assembly, even during his tenure as the opposition chief whip. So he's, of course, a well-known tribal face in Odisha politics. And for those who cover politics, of course, in Odisha, this is no surprises that he's also been chosen, because while there were heavyweights in the running, Mohan Majhi was also one of the contenders in the list of contenders that we had put out. Mohan Majhi was very much there, chief whip in the assembly earlier, the opposition chief whip, but also a very strong tribal face. And the tribal vote is very important in Odisha. In fact, you know, the BJP has gone on record to make the point that not only has it made Draupadi Murmu the president, who's a woman from the tribal community, but also it's given Odisha a tribal chief minister as well. So the president of India from Odisha, from the tribal community, and now you have the chief minister of Odisha from the tribal community. And this is basically keeping an eye on, you know, the tribal population, the tribal aspirations, because that's an area which the BJP wants to cultivate, apart from the other, you know, communities that it counts on as its voters. So this is, of course, a very high-profile event that's going to happen at the Janta Maidan. Massive arrangements like we just showed you. And Mohan Majhi, along with Deputy Chief Minister KV Singh Deo, or Kanakvardhan Singh Deo, who's from a royal family, and also, you know, Parvati Parida, who's, of course, the Mahila Morcha chief, and, of course, she's also taking oath as a Deputy Chief Minister, a woman face also from the coastal region. So all calculations have been done by the BJP in formulating this leadership that will take the, you know, its program in Odisha forward, with Mohan Majhi as Chief Minister, Kanakvardhan Singh Deo as Deputy Chief Minister, and Parvati Parida as Deputy Chief Minister, along with others who will be sworn in as ministers later.